What's more important, guys, right now is moving. Because action breeds clarity. Ulitin ko po. Action breeds clarity. The more you do this stuff, the more it gets clearer and clearer and clearer and clearer. Unfortunately, marami gusto malinaw agad. Well, that's not gonna happen. That's not gonna happen. You really have to start somewhere. Connect the dot, another dot, then you build it up. Okay, so if you stop, how can you? There's no dot to connect. That's why walang clarity. So ngayon, sa negosyo na to, dahil sa tagal ko na po, because I keep doing, kahit balik-balik ka rin nyo to, kahit anong itanong nyo sa akin, walang kong pwedeng masagot eh. Because I have so many dots to connect. I have so many history and background as a reference. I have many students that I was able to coach and help and mentor. Nakita ko yung mga naging successful, nakita ko yung mga hindi naging successful. So I have all those references in my mind right now. It's the same thing with you in this business. Sa ngayon, hindi mo pa ma-idea yung market research, right? Sa inyo, before you join the program, you're not even aware na meron palang freelancing website. Meron ba ritong ganon? Pero ngayon, parang, oo nga, no? Hindi ko rin naisip. Ito yung sinasabi ko sa inyo, you cannot unlearn this eh. Ngayon, nasa sales copy na kayo. Well, maybe some of you, before you join the program, you don't even know what a sales copy is. Ngayon, alam mo na. Ngayon, hindi mo rin ma-unlearn na naman. Ito yung sinasabi ko sa inyo. You cannot remember yourself anymore when you have like a zero knowledge. Because every week, you add things up, and it gets better and better. You develop that entrepreneurial skills. Kaya nga sinasabi ko sa inyo, guys, IBMC's program is more than an ebook business because you are actually developing entrepreneurial skills. At tong entrepreneurial skills, this will be yours forever. Habang buhay na po ito. Wait, before you go, do not forget to click that red subscribe button below. Appreciate it. Thank you for watching.